I'm gonna show you how to enable file uploads in Squarespace forms. So to get started, all you have to do is go to your website, and then from there all you have to do is edit your website, and then from here just have to click on edit on your project or your website, and then you can add a block, or if you want to add a section in your website to input the file upload. So from here you can add already a block here, or you can just create a new section for your file upload page. So from here, just gonna click on add section right here, and then if you want to add a blank page, if you wanted to, so I'm gonna add a blank page right here, or a blank section. Then I have to scroll down and then click on add block right above here. And then once you click on add block, all you have to do is just click on form, and then a form will just automatically pop up right here. So you can move the form by dragging it, or you can just customize wherever you want to put this one. So I'm just gonna put it in the middle and drag it right here. And then to add the file upload form, is all you have to do is just double click, then click on edit. So from here, just have to click on edit form fields right here, and then click on add field. So all you have to do is just find the file upload icon right here, and then a file upload will automatically be shown there. So to edit the file upload, all you have to just click on this arrow right here, and then it will redirect you to renaming it or just putting in descriptions. So I'm just gonna click on you upload 2x2 image, and then once you're done with that, all you have to do is just press on back or just click on the background, and then it will automatically save. So once you're done with that, so to check this one, all you have to do is just save your website, or you created. So from here, all you have to do is just click on save right above here. So there you go, there is already a file upload add file in your Squarespace. Then go to your homepage to check it. So that's pretty much it. That's how to enable file uploads in Squarespace forms.